Hi, I hope everyone's doing great. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys on how to reconcile in QuickBooks Online. I had a question on how to do that. So here is my video responding to that question. So I am in a sample company that QuickBooks Online Accountant offers. So this one's called Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. So let's get started. So we're going to go to the gear icon, and under the gear icons under tools, we're going to go to reconcile. And when the window pops up, this is again a sample company. So every single time we use a sample company, it's the first time we reconcile, and that's why this window comes up. So we're just going to choose get started. So if it is your first time reconciling on QuickBooks Online, you're going to choose get started. And from here, again, QuickBooks Online does offer you many options on how to connect your accounts to QuickBooks Online. So the version that I'm going to show you right now is if you have your bank statements connected to QuickBooks Online, so they are automatically transferring into QuickBooks Online. So you have your, say, the accounts that we're going to work with today, they're connected to online banking. So again, this is a sample on how to reconcile when you are connected to online banking. So let's hit let's do it. And again, QuickBooks Online is very resourceful. They offer so much help and so much guidance. Here, they're offering a video on how to reconcile. So again, QuickBooks Online, any questions, you definitely head over to them and you see how all these pop-ups are coming up on what each tab is and what you're going to get out of these tabs. Again, QuickBooks Online is great about that. So let's start reconciling here under account. We're going to choose the account that we're going to be reconciling, which in our case, we're going to be reconciling checking. And this part right here, again, we have our statement on the table, right? So we're going to compare the information on the statement, on the bank statement to what's in QuickBooks. So we're going to match up our beginning balance, which on here is a 5,000. We're also going to get our ending balance from our bank statement. So we're going to put the ending balance that's indicated on our bank statement, and this is where we are going to enter it, which for this sample, I know this one is 1,201. And then just for the purposes of this video, again, this is a sample company, so the information in here is not up to date reconciled. So we're just going to put on June 30th. So again, you're matching your beginning balance to your bank statement, your ending balance also from your bank statement, and your ending date also from your bank statement. There are some instances where your beginning balance could be different. If that is the case, then there are a couple of steps that you're going to have to go through in order to figure out why your beginning balance does not match up. Now, I won't show that here because there is a couple of steps that need to be done. You have to go through a hunting game on trying to figure out why it is that your beginning balance is not matching up. So for this purposes, for the purposes of this video, everything matches up. So we have beginning balance matching up, ending balance that we're entering from the bank statement, and we're entering the ending date also from the bank statement. So we're going to choose reconciling. And on this window, again, you see all the guidance that you're getting from QuickBooks Online. So again, I cannot stress enough how helpful all this information is. So it's all there if you need any assistance, any help at all. Or of course, you can always reach out to me. So here on this window, this is all the transactions that are coming through. Now, again, don't let this confuse you. This is a sample company, and that's the reason why you're seeing on here transactions for March, April, May. We're reconciling June, but again, this is a sample company. So in your reconciling window, you should only see the month that you are reconciling. So for example, since we chose June, we should only be seeing transactions from June. And of course, maybe a couple that didn't followed through the bank just yet at the beginning of the month. So again, we're reconciling June, and on this window, you would go through every single transaction from your bank statement and compare it to QuickBooks Online. So, for example, say we're looking at our bank statement and we're looking at June 5th, and there was a cash expense for automobile purposes to squeaky clean car wash, and it was for $19.99. So we want to match up that transaction. We look at our bank statement, it's there, everything matches up. And again, we want to match the date, the type of account that it's in. So we definitely want to assign it to the right account, and who it was paid to or who paid it. And if everything matches up, then we are going to just click the, I made my window, I extended this in order to be able to see the name. So that's why you might not be seeing the little circle here. So here it is. So if everything matches up, you're going to click on the circle, and that indicates that this transaction matches up your bank statement. So you're going to go through all the transactions, same process, matching everything up. If everything matches up, and again, for sample purposes, I'm just going to automatically match everything up. But of course, again, you do not automatically match up everything. You have to go through every single transaction one at a time to make sure that all the information on there matches bank statement. If for this purposes, since it's a sample, we're just going to match everything up because I'm trying to show you the workflow of reconciling. So when you get these zero balance, then that is perfect. That is exactly what we are trying to obtain, which is a zero balance difference. So that means that everything from the bank statement in QuickBooks Online matched up. So if you get that zero, you're going to choose Finish Now. And perfect. That's exactly the window that we want to get. You reconcile this account and everything has matched up. So there is a reconciling report that you can click on, which we're going to click on here, View Reconciliation Report. And this is all the transactions that were matched up in this reconciling period. So all the transactions that you matched up are going to be on here. And this is a perfect report for when you're trying to reconcile and there is some accounts that are not, for example, your ending balance didn't match up. You might go back to this report and see maybe you missed something. What happened that your ending balance from the previous month to the current month isn't matching up? Why isn't it matching up? So this is a report that can help you. It's one of the steps that you are going to need to take in order to find out why an ending balance is not matching up to the bank statement. So again, this is a good report for that. Of course, there are still a couple more steps, but this is one of them. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to hear from you guys. Bye.